This leftover from the birthday of Inigo 3 days ago. This is what I'm going to eat. I think it's still good. Chili con carne, yeah, like a bolognese, but chili con carne, fried chicken, pizza, and cake. It's all right. 100. $100 very rare here in Australia. Yeah, usually it's just $50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 5, 145. Yeah, that's the last money. My savings in Dubai. If you remember, I went to Dubai to close my bank account. Yeah, that's the last money from there. March, April, May, June. Oh, it lasts for around 3 months. Yeah, it lasts for around 3 months, that money. And half of that money I used to take the business class coming from Dubai to Australia. I took the business class because it's 14 hours travel. Yeah, because the first travel from Sydney to Dubai was ordinary. I mean, ordinary economy, and it's very uncomfortable. That's why I think. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we're going home now. I was all and set to go, but yeah, a chef saw something that need to cut, so yeah, I cut that. That one is orange. That is for the fruit platter, so I cut it. And I asked Adam if there's something else to do. He's just finishing the watermelon, and he will be going also by 3 o'clock. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Many people here this day. I mean today. Over there, just beneath. Yeah, someone is calling, but if I don't know the number, I don't answer. But because usually they are salesman, telemarketer, they are selling something. Okay, we go this way so that we can go home right away. I am feeling cold. Also, there are many people there walking. Here it is now 2:40. Yeah, it is 2:40. I'm preparing my meal. This is the frozen fish. I'm going to fry, and then I'm going to make a soup, seafood soup, and then I'm cooking the rice. Yeah, I want to do my laundry, but I don't have laundry soap. I may be going to the grocery later this afternoon. This is still frozen, but I'm putting it now here. It's alright. This is just for me. Okay, this is how it is now. Do you notice my hair? Yeah, I cut it undercut. I cut by myself like before. Yeah, all around from here to the other side. So when I'm wearing my head cap, they don't see my hair. They will think that I cut my hair. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we're going home now. I signed out at exactly 2:15. As you can see, it's cloudy, and actually there is a little droplets of rain, but I don't know, looks like will be just like that, not going to be a heavy rain. And the same like always, it was busy. We did 184 today. 184? Oh, 188. We did 188 today. Oh, there are many kuka to excuse me. Thank you. Wow, look at this. They have a bike. Looks like expensive bike. This is how it feels. Something real. That bike is also electric bike, but looks like it's small and it's folding bike. I'm not sure. Good afternoon. In case you don't know, here in Australia, there are always something like that. A water fountain, drinking water fountain for everyone. They are clean because the water here in Australia and the faucet are drinkable. Oh, there are people there. They are doing kayak and paddleboard. Maybe all of them are paddleboard. They're just sitting, so it looks like a kayak. Whatever, mate. Oh, there are many kids. I'll give it all to you. Yeah, there are many people along the in the area. It's holiday already. Oh, maybe school is finished. We are going to the post office today because I'm going to send something to John. It's his birthday coming soon. Look at that. All the grass are color green. If you remember last summer, the previous one, all of these are color brown. Yeah, it does. I'm not sure if it is long weekend because I'm seeing so many people here. Oh, we are actually going to the post office. I almost forgot. Okay, we are now here in the grocery and I don't know exactly what I am going to buy. I am tempted to get this chicken. I don't know. It's just $5. Oh, we're going to take one of these. This $3.90. 4 pieces. Or maybe this is the price. I'm not sure. But it's alright. Oh, we are going to take one of these. This is Thai green curry. 450 grams, and it is $4. No, maybe this is not the price. I don't know why the tag is not in the proper place. It's alright, I will take it. And we are also going to take this diced chicken. This is just $7. Yeah, for the Thai green curry, there is actually many people here. Almost every aisle has people. And we are also going to take one laundry soap. I'm not taking the powder one because after finishing the laundry, there are still some powder on my clothes. Yeah, that's why I'm not using that anymore. We're going to take this. This is $5.50. 2 liters. We are also going to take a steamed vegetable, frozen one. Yeah, we're going to put it in the curry, in the Thai green curry. Oh, this one. I think this one. No. No. Yeah, this one is good. It's just $2.10. I'm actually running out of price, but I don't have the space on my backpack. So I will be coming back here tomorrow, maybe. I have everything in my backpack. And it's actually fully loaded. When I was in the post office, the lady there suggested me to take the nice, the packaging. Yeah, he suggested the cheaper one, which is good because I was looking on the expensive one, and it costs around $17. I feel like walking around in the town center, but yeah, because there are so many people. Nice, but I have something to do in the computer. Okay, we're home. This my socks. This is the one from the airplane.